There we go. So what I always do is use my finger to push these teeth here. It's harder to use the small gear because you can't apply any force. And then once it's a bit out, you can just turn it. Don't press it too hard because it'll make everything move more difficult. Just apply a turning force, that's it. And well, the lens is working again. Again, this is a pretty rough, it doesn't really slide, so I'm going to have to apply some lubricant afterwards. But that's basically it for reassembling the lens. The rest is straightforward, just put on the cap and you're finished. I hope this video was more clear than the first one, and I hope both of them help you reassemble that lens. The best of luck to you.